Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download Santander Bank statement. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser, and at the search bar, you need to search santanderbank.com and press enter, and you will be directly lead to this kind of homepage. Now, firstly, in order to download your statement, you need to log into your account. So you need to click over this login section at the top right. And here you need to fill down your credentials and simply click on login. After you get logged into your account, all you need to do is click the statements and documents link from the navigation menu. And likewise, after that, you need to identify the statement you wish to view. And under Actions, select either View in PDF or text format or Download. Click Go and your statement will open in a separate window. Now, in order to print it, you can click printer icon at the top right of page and select print. And after that, it will be printed. And this is how you download statements on Santander Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.